Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this video we're going to talk a little bit about Express pages and how you can use them to make a quick website on the internet. To get started, we're going to go to the purple plus button. We are going to go to Pages. It's going to ask us if we want to start with a template or create from scratch, and for this demo I'm going to choose to create from scratch. I want to give my project a title, and I'm just going to call this YouTube demo. I'm going to add a title to my page, and I'm going to just call this All About Cats, and a subtitle, Cats Are Awesome. Now I want to have a graphic for my cat web page, and so I'm going to go down to this plus and select photo. Here I could upload from my device, I could generate an image, or I can simply search through Adobe stock images. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in cat, and then I'm going to choose this cute cat right here to be my hero image. Hero image is that attention-grabbing image at the top of a website, and here we can see after it loads for a moment, we have a really nice picture of a cat. It tells me to scroll down to start writing my story, so that's what I'm going to do. And here I can add things from your stuff, split layout, glide show, photo grid, video, GIF, button, text, and photo. I'm going to skip past your stuff for this demo and go to split layout. Split layout's really great if you want to have an image and type. So I can click on my image here. I'm going to grab another image of a cat. It adds that into my piece. It'll take one moment to load, and once it loads, we can hit I for info about who shot the photo, and we can click on the gear icon to add alt text for those who might have a visual impairment. We can also replace that image or change the focal point. So if I wanted to move where this camera focuses on, I want to make sure more of the cat's ear is in the photo, I can do that, and now we can see a little bit more headroom there. If I go over to this plus, I can add photos, text, buttons, GIFs, videos, or again, your stuff. This time I'm going to add text, and I'm going to say, this cat is cute. I'm going to highlight that type, and now you can see I have some options just like you might see in Word, and one of them is heading 1, and I'm going to do that to make my type larger. I'm going to click plus again, go back to type, and this time I'm going to add some bullets. This cat is funny. Click on that type, unordered list. This cat is young. And this cat is playful. So I can continue to add content about this cat. If I scroll down, we can see the next option going from the bottom is glideshow. Glideshow is kind of like a slideshow, but it allows you to type over it. So I'm going to choose a few images of cats to add, and then when I'm happy, I'm going to select save in the top right corner. Now as I scroll down through my website, you can see that these images will transition into each other, and I'm given boxes where I can add text, photos, buttons, GIFs, videos, or again, your stuff. This time I'm going to add a button, and for this button I'm just going to make it to, let's say, YouTube. And the URL will be www.youtube.com, and save. And so now if I wanted somebody to click to YouTube, I could do that. I can continue to select the plus button to add other elements as well. If I go down, I can also move these boxes, so if I wanted to be in the center or right aligned, I can do that. This time, let's add a video. I've copied the URL from one of my videos from YouTube, and I'm pasting that in here. And then I'll select save. And now we can see that one of my videos is right inside this web page. I'm scrolling down and I've decided that I no longer like this image. This is a bit too distracting. And if I need to edit my glideshow, I can simply click on my glideshow. And what I want to do is select edit photos. A lot of people go to delete to try to get rid of a photo, and what it does is it deletes the entire glideshow. So we want to go to edit photos, I'm going to go down to this one I no longer like and hit the delete option. Once I'm happy, I'm going to go back to save. Now when we scroll down, we no longer have that cat and it goes right to this cat. If I wanted this cat to just be a visual with no text or anything else, I can leave this box blank and it'll disappear. Next up we have photo grid, which is more like a gallery. So I'm going to select a few of my cats here and we can see that it makes a gallery of different photos of cats. If I select save, we can see what that gallery looks like. We can also add a caption to that gallery. If I select plus again, we see video, which we've talked about. We could add in GIFs, buttons, text, and I want to take one more look at photos here. If I go to photo and select a photo of a cat, we can see that it is a centered photo, and by default, it's what's called inline. We can also choose to fill the screen. We can put it in a window so it scrolls by as we scroll down. We can make it full width so it fits to the page. Or we can move or replace that image. Now with this, with full width, you might be saying, well, that looks like glideshow, but I want you to notice I can't type over this. It's just an image. I can't change anything about that. If you wanted to, you can also just add type in. So if you wanted to say this is a cat, you can do that. It does not have to be in a split layout. It could be on its own as well. You might be saying, well, I want to change my fonts or my color or something like that. To do so, we just come up to this little palette. It's called themes. And we can go through and either use a brand that we've created in the past or use one of these pre-made brands that Adobe has created. So for example, if I select Baldwin, it will apply that brand across my entire site, adjusting all my fonts, colors, and sizes. Remember, as we're creating this, all of it is saving into the cloud, but right now other folks can't see it. To share with other people, simply select the Share option in the top right corner and choose Publish to Web. You can then select Create Link to create your web page. I can now copy that link and paste it into a new tab. And here you can see we now have our web page all about cats online for the world to see. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.